Gracias al amigo me salvó mi trabajo. Ahora que
No importa su edad, su condición de salud.
Okay, so that was the Juniper Canyon to High Peaks Trail Loop. It's about an hour drive from where I live in Monterey to the Pinnacles National Park. There's always an entrance fee unless you are going on one of the special admission-free days. But for whatever reason, the Sunday that I went, there was no charge. I came in through the west entrance and I parked in the Chaparral parking lot, which is right next to the Juniper Canyon and Balconies trailheads. It took a very long time to find parking around noon, mainly because there was a school camping trip that had just ended and all the parents were there to pick up their kids. But I still suggest getting there early because I've heard that the parking lots tend to fill up quickly. So apparently the east side is open 24/7 and the west side opens at 7:30 a.m. So I personally wouldn't hike this whole loop. If I were to redo this hike, I'd do an out and back of the Juniper Canyon Trail up to the high peaks and then down to the Bear Gulch area. If you're a less experienced hiker or are looking for a shorter hike, I suggest entering through the east entrance and visiting the Bear Gulch area, especially when the caves are open. You can check the status of the caves on the Pinnacles NPS page, and they even give you estimates of when they will be closed and when they will be open. On the east side, there's parking right here, here, and there's a small lot right here, which is right next to the Bear Gulch area. And if you're going to enter through the west entrance, you're going to have to be able to hike up to the high peaks because there's not much to see just on the Juniper Canyon Trail. So you're going to have to be able to hike up about 1,000 feet of elevation gain, as well as 4 miles out and back. And that's pretty much it. I enjoyed this hike. It's definitely different from the hikes I'm accustomed to in the Big Sur area, and it's also pretty cool that this park is only about an hour away from me. So if you have any questions, you can leave them in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.